Changing letter casing in WordPress allows you to control the appearance of text by adjusting whether it's uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized. This can be helpful for styling headings, posts, or other elements without altering the content itself. Here's how to adjust letter casing in WordPress. Use the block editor. Edit your post or page. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Posts, All Posts or Pages, All Pages. Click Edit on the post or page you want to modify. Select the text. In the WordPress block editor, highlight the text in the block that you want to change. Use the text transform option. While editing the text, you can manually adjust the case by typing the text in the desired casing. However, to automate this, you will need CSS or plugins. Use Custom CSS. Navigate to Customizer. Go to Appearance, Customize in your WordPress dashboard. Add Custom CSS. In the Additional CSS section, add CSS rules to change text casing. For example, Publish. Click Publish to save changes. Use plugins. For easier letter casing changes, use plugins like WP Google Fonts or Simple Custom CSS to apply styling globally without coding.